Hi, I'm Donald with Steambrite Supply, and today we're going to talk about the Sapphire Scientific 67-082 titanium wand. Now this is a private label production metal forming wand. It uses a 1.5 inch inside diameter pipe with a 12-inch head. Now it's a 4-jet system. Now the first thing that you'll notice is the jets are a little bit off parallel, and that's done on purpose. That's so that the corners of the spray don't collide, because wherever you have the water collide, it'll leave a little streak on some types of carpet. Now this uses a 9501 jet on the perimeter, and the ones on the inside are 110 degree 01s. This has a 3000 psi solution hose. One of the first things I notice when I'm picking the wand up, it only weighs 12 pounds. It is super lightweight. Now, up here on the valve, this is a production metal forming 800 EZ valve. The EZ and the part number means that it's easy to pull. Even when you use high pressure, it remains to be easy. It uses a ball bearing and seat system instead of traditional stem. Up here on the top, it has a 2-inch outside diameter titanium pipe, so this you'd have to use an expanded hose cuff, an AH46 expanded hose cuff, if you like using the 1.5 liter. Other than that, you can use a standard 2-inch hose on this. Also, for a limited time, we're currently giving away the production metal forming glide with the wand. This is only limited to the next 8 sales. We notice in the bag they're including some replacement stainless steel lips, and we notice that they're slightly smaller. So I think that has to do, you probably have to pull these on. These are just pressed, these are not welded on here. You'd have to pull off the original one. One is marked back, one is marked front, in order to allow a little bit of space on the edge when you put the glide on. Now a lot of times when you put these plastic glides on, you have to heat them up. So you might have to stick them in boiling water to make them soft enough to be able to snap that on. And you notice on the glide here, it is notched right here on, and that would be your back wall. So the notch side is going to be the back side of the wand. Another thing you'll notice, as the air and dirt and water get pulled into the pipe, it gets fatter. So as it's coming in closer to the pipe, you'll notice it's fatter by the pipe than it is by the lip. Now, most all production metal forming wands, they use a 1/4 inch gap on the between the front and rear lip. This wand does include 3 Velcro straps, and currently I didn't mount the assist handle. It does include one. It'll be in the box. I personally like to mount them up higher so I don't have to bend over, and that gives me an opportunity to just stand up straight when I'm using the tool. Anyway, this is currently on sale, so you should take advantage of it. We got a really good deal, and we're passing the savings on to our customers. Anyway, thanks for watching.